Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, open the project folder in VS Code and create index. HTML, styles, CSS and script, JS. Install the live server extension. Once done, right-click index. HTML and choose open with live server so you see changes instantly. Make sure Emmet is active for fast HTML snippets and enable autosave or use Ctrl+S to trigger live server refresh. Also set your workspace encoding to UTF-8 and pick LF line endings to avoid cross-platform issues before coding. Now focus on efficient edits. Use Emmet, multi-cursor, and column selection for repetitive HTML and CSS. Configure Prettier and ESLint to enforce style and catch JS errors. Once configured, formatting on save keeps files consistent. Attach the debugger for Chrome or use built-in run configurations to set breakpoints in script. JS and step-through code. Also enable CSS and JS source maps, so the browser maps compiled code back to your originals. This makes diagnosing layout or logic problems far faster. Finish by running your build or bundler and confirming index. HTML references the compiled assets. Test in responsive mode and multiple browsers, checking the console for runtime errors and verifying CSS specificity issues. If something breaks, first open DevTools and inspect the console and network panels, then run ESLint and Prettier, clear browser cache, and temporarily disable extensions that alter formatting or language features. One key tip: reproduce the failure in a minimal file, strip down to the smallest case to isolate the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.